Hey, children, we are visiting museum today.
Welcome to Virtual Museum Tour. In this virtual museum tour, we are going to explore and learn about dinosaurs and the ancient kingdom of Egypt. Obi, Tim, and Tom the dog went on the museum tour.
Welcome to the dinosaur exhibit. This is dinosaur skeleton. A skeleton is made up of bones inside an animal's body. Just like you have bones that help you stand, walk, and move, dinosaurs had them too. But dinosaurs were much bigger than us. The skull was as big as a bathtub. A brachiosaurus neck was as long as a bus. A velociraptor's claws were sharp like knives. When dinosaurs died millions of years ago, their bones got buried under sand, mud, and rock. Over time, they turned into fossils, special bones that became as hard as stone. Children, do you know where they live? Dinosaurs lived in thick jungles with tall trees. Some lived in hot deserts with no water. Some even lived in cold, snowy places like Antarctica. Millions of years ago, Earth was one giant landmass called Pangaea. Over time, it broke apart into continents, and dinosaurs spread all over. This is a dinosaur statue in the museum. You can visit the museum anytime to see it. Three things to learn about the Egypt Pyramid. Number 1. The pyramids of Egypt, especially the Great Pyramid of Giza, are among the most famous and oldest structures in the world. Built over 4,500 years ago. Number 2. These pyramids served as tombs for pharaohs, designed to protect their bodies and treasures for the afterlife. Number 3. The construction of the pyramids remains a mystery, but historians believe they were built using massive limestone blocks and advanced engineering techniques. The River Nile is the longest river in the world, stretching over 6,600 kilometers, 4,100 miles, and flowing through multiple African countries, including Egypt and Sudan. It was the lifeline of ancient Egypt, providing water, fertile land, and transportation, which helped civilization flourish. Even today, the Nile remains essential for agriculture, economy, and daily life in the region. A pharaoh. A pharaoh was the ruler of ancient Egypt, considered both a king and a god who held absolute power over the land and its people. Famous pharaohs like Tutankhamun, Ramses II, and Cleopatra played important roles in Egypt's history, leaving behind great monuments and legacies.
What? Just a dream.
5 simple quiz questions based on what we've learned about dinosaurs, the Egyptian pyramids, the River Nile, and pharaohs.
What did the pyramids in Egypt serve as?
A. Houses. B. Tombs for pharaohs. C. Schools. B. Tombs for pharaohs.
Which river is the longest in the world and was important to ancient Egypt?
A. Amazon River. B. Mississippi River.
C. Nile River. C. Nile River. What were the rulers of ancient Egypt called?
A. Kings and queens. B. Pharaohs. C. Emperors. B. Pharaohs. What is a dinosaur? A. A type of bird.
B. A reptile that lived millions of years ago.
C. A sea creature.
B. A reptile that lived millions of years ago. Which famous Egyptian pharaoh was known as King Tut?
A. Ramses II. B. Tutankhamun. C. Cleopatra. B. Tutankhamun.
What is your score? If you did not get 4 or 5, re-watch the video again. If you got 4 or 5, I give you a high five.